What's good, YouTube? As y'all see in today's title and thumbnail, we're gonna be taking apart my little brother's old car and putting everything from his old car to his new car. Well, his new build, matter of fact, his new toy. So he has a 2000 Civic that we're gonna be taking apart and stripping, and we're going to his other Civic. And yeah, but yeah, if you're new to the channel, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this, huh? All right, bro. So tell the channel what are we doing today?
All right, so today we're gonna be pushing my four-door Civic out from in front of the garage to the side of the road, and we're gonna start disassembling the front end by taking off the spindles and putting them on the other car, and then after that we're gonna roll the two-door out my other car, and then start figuring out the rear end, and then just clean up shop and then figure out where we can go from the build. We have a turbo kit for the car. We're just waiting for the manifold. Then pretty soon I'll start dropping my own videos, so you guys stay tuned.
All right, yeah. So we're gonna be taking apart this 2000 Civic. We're gonna be dismantling the spindles, probably the upper ball joints, taking out the rear brakes and all that. Yeah. So this is gonna be sitting on bricks.
Yep. We got better things coming. I'm sad to say goodbye, but it's gonna be used for a good purpose. We really couldn't do anything. We had title issues, and we need a daily good car. So.
Yeah. So
Running off of like no hours of sleep, getting out of work at 4 a.m. The grind don't stop. Anything you want, you're gonna achieve it.
Facts. So let's get this bitch over there. Let's go. All right, so as y'all seen on the last clip, we pushed the Civic to the right side, and yeah, I know, yeah, I switched the sweater because that's a brand new sweater. I didn't want to get it dirty. But yeah, so what we was talking about, if y'all don't know what spindles or upper ball joints are, we're gonna be taking out this. We gotta change these ball joints on top,
yeah,
but that's nothing.
Just...
the whole front.
Yep.
And this thing is gonna be sitting on bricks.
On the floor.
Same thing with the other side. And then we're gonna be taking apart the back. So yeah, guys, let's get to work. All right, chat. So we got into a little issue right now. The ball joint bolt just stays spinning and doesn't want to come out. So I'm gonna try something that's came to my mind. I'm gonna put a crowbar right here and just put pressure while I'm trying to take it out. So let's see if that works, guys. Let's see, because it does not want to come out. It just stays spinning, as y'all see. Stays spinning, doesn't want to come down at all.
We might have to take off the whole arm. Damn.
But yeah, guys, let's try to figure this thing out. So as y'all seen in the last clip, it was a pain in the ass to take out that spindle, but we got it out. Tell him.
Shit was horrible. Like, shit, we might as well had like 4 or 5 takes, but shit, y'all gonna get raw footage. Real struggles of the car, guys. We're not covering nothing up.
Nah, we're not covering nothing up, guys. Now we got the driver's side up. Now we're going straight to the passenger side now. So as y'all seen in the last clip, we got both of the spindles out. On the first clip, it was a pain in the ass. The second one was kind of, you know, in the middle. But we got it out, chat. Now we're gonna probably take out, I don't know. That's up to him. You wanna take out the uppers or not?
I mean, we have brand new uppers that I ordered not too long ago. These ones, they are adjustable. They're just kind of rusty and worn out.
So now
we have brand new uppers on each side. So just gonna leave it as is. Slowly start taking more off. We're gonna get the black car rolling, roll it out, see what we have in front of us, and just start putting things together. So just bear with us.
Stay tuned, yeah. Yeah, so if y'all don't know, this is a manual 1996 Honda Civic. And we're putting the 2000 parts on here. Not too long ago, he picked up this build. Yo, bro, when was the last time when you picked up this build?
Shit, let me go look. I forgot. I think it was maybe in shit.
We could say like about 3 months ago, guys.
Let's see.
We picked it up not too long ago. It had problems with the rear brakes locking. We just took off the what we take off the drum, right? We took off the drum because the brakes was locked. So we got to get that fixed and repaired. We got to fix the e-brake and all that.
It says March 8th.
March 8th?
April, May, like 2 months ago.
3 months,
maybe.
around there.
We had a couple more parts. We had a minor setback. I want to get into detail, but now we're back. We're shooting videos for y'all so y'all can learn and see anything is really possible.
Guys, we got this car with straight nothing, guys. Nothing at all. It only came with the back seats. It didn't come with no front, no passenger side.
I'm going to turn this thing into a nice little hauler.
A beast. So yeah, let's start putting on these spindles. One spindle's there and the other one's here. Let's put these hoes on. So as y'all seen in the last clips, we got both of the spindles on. I don't know, we might have to change this ball joint on this side because it just stays spinning. But other than that, it's just to roll it out, you know, get the other parts on here. But yeah, guys, we got the uppers, the lower ball joints in, calipers, tie rods. We just gotta put on back on this brake line. We just lost the bolts, so I think we might have to go to the junkyard or some shit to get them. But yeah, we got both spindles on.
We gotta get the rims on, roll it out, and then just start doing random shit, honestly, because we haven't been here in a minute. There's a lot to catch up on, so might as well tackle it all while we're still here.
Not facts. So yeah, we gotta take out the rear struts out of the gold one, throw them on here.
And rear disc, so we got brakes and rotors all around. So you have some great braking power. I definitely want to increase the weight in the front, make sure that this shit can handle, and just have a fun car. You know what I'm saying?
You know, fuck around and find out. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna get the bolts for the caliper, and then yeah, get throw it on the rims, roll this thing out, and start stripping everything from that one.
I'll find all your clothes back to back.
it's time to roll this hoe out. We got both of the wheels on. We found the washer on the bolt for the brake line. We put that on. We got this wheel on. I just didn't record on this side. I recorded that side because, you know, I forgot to record. But yeah, it's time to roll this baby out. Start stripping it.
Shit, I've been waiting so long for this moment, yo. Finally. Now, roll it out and just whatever comes first. So, let's get into it. It's going to be a long one. It's probably going to be the longest video on the channel.
Facts.
And this is only part one. So let's get right to it.
All right, yeah, so we ran into an issue. We tried pulling out the car and pushing it. They didn't want to come out because I guess the brakes are, you know, fucking seized. So we get in that truck and I got a chain right there as y'all see on the floor, and we're just gonna pull it out so we could get the interior from that car to this one. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be a fun, interesting video, guys. So let's get right into it. Yo, bro, tell them what happened.
Bitch locked up. We left this bitch in the cold. She didn't like it. Now we gotta snatch her out with the truck.
Yeah. With that right there, and we Gucci. Go ahead, bro.
Go slow.
Slow and steady.
You might want to go in the car.
Slow and steady.
Ready?
Guys, we're gonna go on the whip. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh man. Oh God. Oh man. Oh God.
Don't mind that, guys. The hood trip. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Hold on. Let me make sure everything's good. Nah, you're Gucci, bro. Go ahead. Right there should be good. Right there. Yes, sir. We got her out, guys, with this beast. Now to put this shit back in is gonna be all.
We got this bitch outside, yo. We really haven't been here in months. Definitely slept on project, but what a greater time. Get it poppin'.
Hat. Bro, what are we doing right now?
Now, I think I just want to throw in the driver's seat, and then we'll start figuring out everything else with the rear disc on the other car. But I have never seen a seat in this car. I literally only sat in it like to move it around. So we need to start getting this car to feel like a car, you know? So that's what we can get into.
So, if I don't know, like I said before in the other clip, we picked up the show. They didn't have anything in it. They didn't have no seat, only had the back seat. So we're throwing this seat in there. So yeah, we gotta go check out the other ones and that one. So yeah, guys.
All right. Holy shit! Wait, we're close. And yeah, what's these shits?
Lines up right there, bam. You just gotta roll the seat back.
No, I gotta do this. There we go.
No, you just gotta roll the seat back.
There we go. Like
Roll the
this.
seat back.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Ah, wow.
Got this seat in. And now we gotta take out the other ones, right, bro?
Let's see if any of these bolts actually fit here, bro.
Yeah, guys. When we
We
first
have a
bought the
bolt
car,
mess.
when we first got the car, they just left everything in there. So, yeah, we're gonna see if any of these bolts fit, and we're gonna get this seat screwed in. So yeah. All right, YouTube. I wasn't like thinking to record, but we got the seats inside the whip. Guys, we had to make new threads on the seats because we had to put bigger bolts because we didn't have no bolts. But if I show ya, these motherfuckers ain't going nowhere. Right, bro?
Ain't nowhere.
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 Now we're just gonna probably raise up this car, get the rear brakes in, take it out from that one, and this shit's going bye to the junkyard. So let's get right into it. So, like I said, the brakes were locked, so we had to bang out the drum out so the car could be able to move, because this was just locked up. So as y'all see,
Yo, and I just want to point out real quick, whoever the fuck did this, yo, OG tactics, bro. The DIY lowering springs at its finest.
yeah, and as y'all see for this one, no good, no bueno. It moves, but I think it's the front brakes. But everything's gonna get changed from the other car to here. Everything, guys. So let's get right into this.
All right, let's open the trunk.
Okay, so we had to swap to a ratchet. We're using the impact gun, but yeah, we have to get the big boy out. Here, bro, hold this real quick. Where's that 14 at?
Should be on the ratchet.
Right here, you got it. Oh yeah, guys. I'm telling y'all, stay tuned to the channel, y'all.
Hella content coming soon.
A lot. I just been slacking on posting videos and stuff like that, but this summer we're gonna active. We're gonna be going to car shows, mechanic work, all that, guys. Everything. You can name it. We're also gonna be doing daily vlogs as well, guys. Just doing, you know. Let's get this video to like
200 likes.
200 likes and we do a part 2.
Not even 200.
Nah, let's get
At least 50.
50 likes. If we get this video to 50 likes,
We're definitely doing part 2.
yup. Now so let's hit 200 subscribers, guys. We're almost there, yeah. Literally almost there. I think we're at 178 subscribers. Let's hit that 200 and more. All right, yeah. So we got the bolts out on top. Now we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna take out everything from here. Everything's coming out, even these arms, everything.
Yeah, so you gotta start with the bolt over there. Take this one out down here, and the one up here, and it all should just drop.
Yep, and we also gotta eliminate the brake line.
No, I think we have to use it with the caliper.
Oh, so
Maybe.
we're just figure it out.
We'll figure it out, yeah.
All right, yeah,
We're gonna
so-
get to them when we start.
So we took out this whole thing, right? And we ran into an issue. I don't know how to take out this line right here. Everything's already out. We gotta take out this bolt back here so this whole thing could drop, but there's a brake line connected to it still. I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let me get to a better angle. So there's a brake line right here in this corner. I don't know if we gotta take this gomita out or take it out from here. I really don't know, but we're gonna figure it out, yeah. All right, YouTube, so we had to take out this whole thing just to take out this damn brake line right here so it can come out through here. We gotta take it out from here, but yeah, it's a little process that we're going through right now, but we're gonna figure it out, yeah. Literally, we're almost done with this side. Then we have to go to the other side, do the same thing. But yeah, guys, this is the stuff we have to go through just to get this out. As we finally figured it out, I had to take out the whole wheel bearing and everything just to get this damn line out. Now everything's gonna be able to fall right down now. And then we're gonna throw everything on this one. Yay, that's great, guys. So now this thing should be able to drop now. Drop it, bro.
Let's do it. Please.
Oh, wait, I gotta take out that bolt right here. There's a bolt holding that last piece. Right here, guys.
What size is it?
It's like a 14.
What's it on there?
That last bolt we gotta take out, y'all. And this thing is gonna be on the floor. We finally got it out. It's right here. Shows a pain in the ass to take out, but we got it out. Now I gotta go do the other side now. We gotta do the same thing that we did on this side to this side. It was a pain in the ass, but we're gonna figure it out right now. Since we already did the other side, quick, we should know what to do on this side. So what we had to do, we had to eliminate all this right here, everything, take it all out, take out all these bolts, take off the axle bolt, take out the shock, take out this. Yeah, guys, and those bolts down there as well. And yeah, guys, we're getting straight into it. Alright guys, so we got the whole thing out already. All I gotta do is just take out this e-brake line out of here, and once we get that out, this will be all done. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish doing this and I'll get right back to you. Alright YouTube, so we took both of the rear arms out. They're both right there. Took them both out. I think that's it for today's video.
I think
If y'all enjoyed today's video,
there might be one little more bonus clip.
yeah, one bonus clip.
We're just gonna mock up some intercooler piping and get this crash bar off. And then next video,
Y'all stay tuned
next
for
video,
part 2.
y'all should be looking forward to getting the rear disc on. Our turbo manifold should be coming in, and we'll mock up the kit and put some of the rest of the pieces together. But we really appreciate you guys
For watching.
Stay tuned to the channel,
And
we'll catch you in the next one.
peace.